All right, this is a simple and fast review of the Faveaux tea candle holder set. Comes in a nice little package, well secured, almost broke a piece right there. We'll show you kind of what it looks like. So let's dive in and take a better look. All right, so again, very good packaging to make sure nothing breaks on these. And as you can tell, it's pretty solid base, and then you'll just literally stick the candle in there. So let's now that you see what it looks like, let's show you with a couple pieces. So as you can see, this fits multiple size candles as well, and it's easy to kind of just fit them in, pop them on in place, and so put it in whatever setting that you're liking. Use whatever size candles that you're looking for, as long as they're essentially tea candles, and you're all set. So hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.